Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Yeah, proud in the face and everything cause not too long wake up and wash my face and everything. But I'm gonna go up on the road right now. Going to Spanish Town to pick up the stuff for the beekeeping that I told you the other day that I never got to because it was Saturday. Today is I think January the 7th. So yeah, I'll go ahead there, pick up them stuff there and then do a bit of beekeeping today. That's the pre. Yeah. The person was supposed to buy the 4 bottles of honey today. I think something happened, so I still got 4 bottles for now. But yeah, I think later on in the year, when the honey season kicks off, we're definitely going to be, you know, pushing it on social media, getting it out there, you know, doing advertisements and stuff. And yeah, get the business, you know, up and running. But anyway, I'm gonna take you guys to this little adventure. Nothing big, just Spanish Town. And yeah. You know, so what day, well, yesterday, Pastor talk about some things at church, you see me? And like him, I say, yo, you see me that year, yeah? Year of abundance, you get me, I say? And that's the pre for that year. The year is a year for really just go out there and just start make things happen. I think the only thing I really want to change about myself right now in terms of being successful is definitely, yo, procrastination. Like, I get things done, you know? But like sometimes I wish I could have get things done like before the deadline. You get me? You see me? For example, if somebody says to me, say, yo, they want me to do X, Y, Z for them, it's not gonna get done. I'm that kind of person. When they come on to like me and my time, I don't know, it's like I always end up starting to do some other things and get tired and stuff. Cause like I had up, I don't know. It's a long story, but anyway. Yeah, but this year I'm gonna try to go for a lot of things, you see me? I hope, I told you guys before, those who watch the vlog consistently, like that year I really hope, say, yo, I'm gonna get 20 gallons of honey. That is my goal for this year, 20 gallons of honey. For those who remember that thought, let us go and hold me to it. Even though quite frankly, it's a thing of nature still, I do the management, but anything God decides I'm gonna provide, we just have to work with it, don't? But yeah, and I hope for you guys this year is like a real year of, you know, supreme abundance. You know, even me deciding to take the trip to wherever I'm going. Big man thing, I remember I was sitting on the toilet and it was like, God just all a reason to me. And he must say, yo, brother, let's go book the trip. I said, God, but you know, I say, yo, I'm afraid and the money, and like, God just say, brother, go book the trip, you see me? And I was come off of that toilet there, jump on my laptop. You know, some people like wait around to find the best flight times. I was like, no, alright here I know, I'm gonna just book it probably in like 30 minutes. And then yeah, so I hope that works out, you know, work out good for help push the abundance. If not, I gotta push my peace of mind and thing. But yeah, I'll hit you guys back up when I get to Spanish Town. Alright, we're getting closer. Hey Siri, call Michael Beekeeper on speaker.
Calling Michael Beekeeper, home on speaker.
He's gonna answer the phone like this. Hello.
Hello.
What's up, Michael? Alright guys, so we're definitely a lot closer to Spanish Town now. I was just talking to my beekeeping friend. You guys might know him, you see that, like the Nigerian guy. Yeah, I was talking to him just now, and you know, it's always good to talk to people who are in the same line of work that you're in. You know, cause even though they're sharing this with you guys, it's an avenue for me to kind of clear my headspace. It's not just to just chat, but it's just a way to clear my headspace, my thoughts, my ideas sometimes, you see me? But it's even better when someone else can reciprocate and they really understand exactly what it is that you are experiencing at the moment. So, you know, I was talking to him just now and, you know, everything seems alright with him. And, yeah, so we're getting closer to Spanish Town. For those who haven't been back in Jamaica for a while, there's a lot of construction on this side. I think last year when I did a vlog, I I showed you guys the construction. It's still happening, but it's good construction though. Like, it's gonna really free up the transportation between the heart of Kingston and Portmore, which is really good. Yeah, for those of you who might have still not been back for so long, like so many decades, because I know a lot of my subscribers are not living in Jamaica. You guys are overseas, you know, of different age groups. You know, the whole Baee to Kingston highway, that really changed the game for us in terms of transportation. So I know that this part is going to actually change the game a lot too. So a lot of persons who want to go work in Portmore can just take a trip from Kingston to Portmore, or from Portmore to Kingston, vice versa. So it's a big thing. So we just passed the highway turn off and we are edging closer to Spanish Town. Alright, my side, so we just reached Spanish Town. I know how the place is, I mean. Alright guys, so that's something I'm telling about feeding excluder. So it's like a grid system. You put on one of the box there, and queen can't go through this, but the other bees them can't go through it easy, you see me? So we have all different kind of size box you can get. These are like the really shallow ones, but someone already custom ordered those, so yeah, so 2 of them, the 5 roof them, and yeah, alright, so just did my orders a while ago. Your beekeeping is like really expensive. Quick little order, and that came up to, what is that, $14,320. That's what, maybe $115 US. So, and that's just for a few boxes. If I can show you guys what's back there, it's just for some roofs, 2 boxes and some excluders. So whenever you see like the price of honey is being like really high, you have to know. And it's wood. Wood is not something that's gonna last you for the rest of the life. Wood is something that maybe those hives will last, I don't know. Depends. Under good care, then probably, so Mr. Drummond, under good care, then can probably last you like 3 years, but you have for like 3-4 years, who knows? You have to like repaint them. I've had situations too where termites have gotten to them. You know, termites stamp down the whole of the wood, so you know, it might seem kind of distracting because somebody in front of me, but yeah. Anyway guys, I'm gonna head home, go do my bees and call it a day. But I'll take you guys with me. Yo, so I'm pretty much reach one of the bees right now. You see me? But of course, my luck, I don't know, every time when I do beekeeping, it just always rains. I don't know, I'm gonna go beekeeping that often. It's a good and bad thing because you don't know, more rain mean more flowers bees them can eat, so can't too complain. But you know, the funny thing is, when I was in the beekeeping place, I never really vlogged that too much, cause you don't know. When I was in there, one guy, he was maybe 10 years my senior, and another guy was like big man, probably like 60 something. And me and them talk, and like one of the guys them say, you know, so for me at the beekeeping, only one apprentice me ever have. And the guy say, you know, there's a girl, a woman. And then the next guy was like, yo, funny enough, is a woman was my only apprentice too. And then start talk about, you know, say, oh, the man them, you them nowadays just lazy and not nothing. And you know, quite frankly, I really talk. Because I remember a couple years ago when I read a statistical, you know, sheet. Years ago, when you checked how many males did beekeeping, was like a whole heap of man, you see me, compared to women, which was less, which kind of makes sense in one little way, because you don't know, no woman really want to get stung, and beekeeping is not really hard labor, but it, you see me, it requires heavy lifting, you see me. But now when you check the statistics, I think it either even out or there's a drastic improvement in terms of females, so it just kind of show the type of society we are living in now, especially in Jamaica. You see me? Man, them not really do nothing still. It begs to wonder. But anyway, but there's a try to grow that thing, and I wait upon the rain for It's not rain too heavy still, just a drizzle, but gotta do it. Yo, I don't remember if I did quite telling you or even showing you this. You see me, my new beekeeping suit. You see me, since we get that one, I haven't been stung through it, which is good, cause if you look on the material, cause remember I started to upgrade the one that I had, which was good. It worked out, keep it cool and everything, but that one, you see me, different. Well, are the same material like mine, but this one is all the way through, the sleeves everywhere. So it's like you can see the hole them where the bees then can land on it, but in between the hole them you have some like a fur thing. So even them try to sting you, it can't reach. Plus there's a gap as well between. So this really works really good. I don't have no complaints with it so far. I don't have one complaint. It has been working out good. The same material I have on the pants, you see me? See it? But that's old jeans and they always have put the material there so keep me cool. You see me? And that's something I think, you know, super important, especially for like the local business them. Like we have to find ways to make the thing more youthful, you see me, be more innovative, try different processes, cause if you pre like the people in mama know some of the older folks that do beekeeping, they might do the old school way, you see me, the way how they know to do it, and it might not be the most efficient way and it might be very uncomfortable. Cause I remember when I did have on this suit, my mother made a joke with me and she say, oh, what kind of sexy suit that, you see me? But me know say, yo, if you do something and you want it to have longevity, you have to feel comfortable while you do it. So I'm glad to find out about that. But another part of business is always that sometimes you spend some money on do some things. Cause see, I buy that suit there, I cut it up and I try to modify it and I end up having to still buy even better things. So you lose money, but after a while when you find a formula, right. But anyway, we have a little bit of sugar feed. Cause it's springtime now, honey season goes start in February. So I have like about maybe 4 hives that pretty much hungry because they're new, so they don't really have much bees. So I give them some food to get them population up, and then in February we stop feeding completely and we allow them feed us, you know, live off of the fat of the land. Alright, so we got a thick thing of smoke here now, so we're ready for go. Alright, so we now inspect the hive right now. We just go give them a little smoke to calm them. I came over here last Thursday and never used no smoke at all, just go in there and, you know. So I go check really quick to see if they completed the feed from last time. Gave them from Thursday, so let's see. Nope. They drank most of it, but not everything, so that's not bad. Alright, so I won't trouble them, because if you give them too much, that will spoil. Let's check this one. And as expected, they almost got done with that one. So, alright. Let's go get the other hives that me feed. A quick look to see what I'm doing with it. They still have ways to go. Maybe I made feed for no reason, man. Hope not. Normally I'd make a lot more, but this time I never make no whole heap more, which is good. Them almost done that one day, so that's good. And I think this hive will take one too. And then barely what trouble that. Alright, do a quick check on a bigger hive. It probably should be done with it because it's bigger. Let's see. Yeah, as I thought. Because this hive is big and you have a bigger population, it can drink off that. But like the other hives are so small, them can't go manage it. So, alright, so now I have the queen. I know where the queen is. The queen is now on this frame here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put her in the bottom box here, and then put the queen excluder in between, so she won't be able to come up in these boxes. And yeah, I'll show you guys that. Alright, so now the queen excluder is on, so she cannot come up top. Like the other bees can come up because they're small, but she very highly unlikely that she can come through that. So yeah. Yo, I'm so tired. And hungry. That probably is the most important part. I haven't eaten anything from today. Except this thing, what do you call this? Some power blend thing, isn't me? I have ruminite, but I'm not gonna lie. That's all I had today. It's now like 3 o'clock right now. Oh, good news. I just did some stuff for the bees and whatever. Yeah, whatever about that. But one of my subscribers bought honey from me, and look what she showed me. Look what she showed me. She's like, guess what came in the mail today? I'm excited for that. Yeah, and that one went all the way out to England. I'm just happy because I was mostly concerned about it being shipped to another country. Now I know it's possible. I have some that are on their way to the US, as I said in previous vlogs and stuff. So yeah, you know, once the honey season kicks off again and I have a lot more honey in abundance and you guys want honey, just put in your orders. It's pretty affordable, don't worry about that. You're gonna get good quality. And yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna get some KFC right now. Thanks for listening with me for the whole of this vlog, those of you who got this far. Thanks for all the support for those who continue to watch the videos, whether it's beekeeping or travel or whatever it is. You know, I like to keep my vlogs a bit inconsistent. I don't like when everything is the same all the time. You know exactly what's going to happen. But yeah, remember these 2 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.